Hello everyone, here we have a nice pair of dress shoes, but unfortunately the store has marked the bottom of them with some sort of chalk or almost like a wax marker. Fortunately we're not going to sell them like that, but I have discovered a good way to get that off. I've seen people use acetone, rubbing alcohol, uh, magic erasers, but they're wet, and that will also create the bottom of the shoe, leave some marks in there. But I've discovered, just a magic eraser, keep it dry, and it will actually come right off, as you'll see here. It's a little tougher in the parts of the shoe where it's actually worn, but on the smooth leather part, it's actually come off. But we'll just have to put a little more work in up here. I think at that point, it's a pretty good result. Really can't see where the original marking was. So I think I'm pretty happy with that one. Like I said, I've seen people use acetone, rubbing alcohol, nail polish remover, and you'll see they'll destroy the bottom here. So I think this is a pretty good way to get that off. Sell it like it was never any mark there. Thanks, guys.